Town Center. Very nice, guys. Guys, nantakal ka na po di nakapunta sa Town Center. Oh my gosh.
Matagal na, no?
Yes, that's why I'm gonna buy my favorite candy mamaya, guys.
Yung favorite candy mo?
Guys, yun na. Candy. It's called candy. The candy is called candy. Guys, so kakain kami dahil birthday ni Tito. Lilibre kami. So. Guys, look guys. Ang tataba ng box. It looks like a box.
Ang taba mo?
Oh my gosh, that's the worst rose ever. We're going to eat at Chili's.
Chili's?
Me. Yes, customer. VIP. Okay guys, so nandito kami sa Chili's. May order, ito po ang gagawin namin. All for me, 380 pesos. So, mag-choose number 1, number 2, number 3. Ako pong pinili ko po is cup of Southwest beef soup, country fried chicken, and iced tea.
Ayan sa'yo. Sa akin naman ay house-side salad, then grilled chicken,
Alfredo.
Pasta,
And
then lemonade. Ikaw, tita, ano sa'yo? Mamo. Sige pa daw kay tita. Ayun. So, dito kami pipili sa All For Me 380. At para mas marami kami matikman, nag-decide kami na kunin yung first 3 sa number 1, first 3 sa number 2, at yung choice of drinks namin, which is lemonade sa amin dalawa ni tita, at kay Andre naman ay iced tea.
Guys, first time pa namin po dito sa Chili's. Guys, bakit po kaya po Chili's po ang pangalan po ng Chili's? Dahil ba po maanghang or gawa sa chili? Guys, nandito na ng aming iced tea. Yes. Ako na maganda ka guys. Masarap siya. Very nice. Very nice. So, kung sa lahat po ng iced tea na nainom ko, probably third po. Yeah, probably. Actually fine. I-rate ko po out of 10. 9 out of 10.
Outside salad.
Outside salad. That may beef soup. Taro beef soup.
And yung Southwestern beef soup. Dumating na yung beef ni Andre. Beef soup.
Yes.
And my salad. Ito, makikita ko yan.
May nachos guys sa soup.
Nachos ba yan?
It looks like a nachos. Hey, it's nachos. Malambot na nachos guys. Chicken Alfredo pasta. This guys is original chicken crispers. And over there is country fried chicken. Yes.
Yung sa pinita, anong tawag?
Tita's soup is called cup of clam chowder soup. Cham.
Yung salad ko.
Your salad is house side salad. Then mine is cup of Satra's beef soup. What is this? This is cham chow clam chowder soup. Guys, parang yung KFC na gravy, guys. Pero, yeah, creamy guys. Pero may laman siya.
Sa tingin ko, mas more on parang ano, yung sa SNR, no? Na cream soup, parang gano'n.
Guys, ngayon ka lang na natin. Kala ko nang una guys, pang grill yan. Katulad yung mga sesame of sal. Ayun pala guys, ilaw.
Ilaw yan eh.
What did you say?
Kala ko guys yung sesame of sal. Yung mga ganun. We have here mozzarella cheese pasta thingy.
Anong tawag yun sa kanila?
House side salad. Oh wait, no, chicken alfredo. Guys, parang carbonara guys. What is this? Chicken? Yes, this is chicken. Nice. I wanna try. Guys, halo-halo na guys. Yummy. Nachos. Wait, what was that again?
Try mo yung salad.
House side salad. Let's try the countryside fried chicken with corn. Guys, medyo may pagka-spicy, pero kaya ko guys. So, I love it. I love it.
I love it daw eh. I love it pa siya.
Yan yung in-order ko niya.
Ano yan yung kinain mo kanina din? Ano?
Crispy chicken thing. Crispy chicken thing.
Yummy. Happy mo mga kalahati.
Kalahati.
Ito ka kakasal. Kakain ka ng gulay din.
No, of course not.
You should try it. Thank you.
It's because crispy siya. Crispy. Is it made of real bricks? Doesn't look like, but it looks like. Is this gravy? Guys, my gravy. And fries. It broke.
Hindi yung gravy, iba ang sauce yun.
Parang ketchup and mayonnaise guys, pero Meron pong ibang lasa na di ko ma-explain, guys. Dami yan.
Sarap. Can I try? Dito ako.
Okay.
Thank you. Parang may mustard.
What?
May lasang mustard.
I don't know what a mustard tastes like. Yes. Can I have more dish? More dish.
Dip mo din to dito din.
Ito. Mashed potato. He doesn't want me to eat. Guys, look.
Try mo na lang. Try mo lang. Sarap.
You can have the whole thing.
Tatlo yun, kinain na ako.
Very yummy here. Guys, social at ako. Kita yung sauce nito.
Try mo na yung mashed potato.
Yes, I have somebody. I want to try this. There you go. It's very yummy. Yes, I can taste the mustard.
Soup mo. Sarap nito.
Ah,
Itong soup.
National and KFC gravy with laman. Ito guys, medyo may pagkalasang KFC na spicy. Medyo lang guys.
Try mo din to din.
Yes guys, may pagkalasang KFC ito guys.
Ito na.
Yeah, very much masarap. Mas may flavor. May pagka-spicy guys. Yeah.
Masarap ang naman din.
Yes. This first time ko di naubos yung iced tea in 1 minute. Gusto guys.
Natakaw talaga si Abby.
Gusto ko yung siya.
Try mo yung mashed potato.
Yan. Guys, I love all of this maliban sa gulay.
Okay, try mo na. Sige na para sa mga nanonood sa'yo. Tita, try na yan. Tita, try na yan. Tita, try na yan.
What, say I'm pogi. Siya yung pogi.
Very pogi. Try muna. Patry natin kay Andre. Dagdagan mo nung ano yan. Tapos yung may chips na ganyan. Tapos yan. Tapos isang ano mo. Oh, try mo na. Nahulog pa. First time tinanay na Andre lahat ng food.
I always do.
Netos lang yan. Ito lala.
That was is 6 out of 10.
Ayaw ng gulay.
And everything is 9 out of 10 and 10 out of 10. I love the country chicken. It's 10 out of 10. The fry sauce. Only the sauce, guys. Just kidding, bro.
Ay, nagustuhan ko yung ano niya, yung kasama niya dyan, yung chicken. Ang crispy na tender.
It is called original chicken crispers.
Chicken nagustuhan mo lahat ng food ko.
Yes, not the lettuce.
Ayaw niya lang ng salad.
Lakas ng aking tama.
What did you say?
Tik-tak, tik-tak.
Ha?
Lakas ng aking tama.
Ano kanta yan?
Tik-tak.
Ayaw.
Yes, guys. Narinig ko.
Alam mo yung ibig sabihin ng may tama?
Yeah, uminom ng may tama.
Uminom na.
Ano, perfect ang score. Ang daming tama. Guys, masarap ang chilies po. So, galing pala po sila po sa Texas, US. So, i-rate ko po siya po yung chilies. For me po, 9 out of 10. Yan guys. Dahil masarap po sila po. Buti na lang po is, na pumili po kami dun po sa parang Savers thingy po. Tapos po, iba-iba po pinili namin. So, makakatry po namin po lahat po. So, overall po, masarap po siya po. So, yun guys. So, happy birthday kay tita. Hello guys, tapos na kami kumain sa Chili's. It's time for my candy. To buy my candy. Pero, guys, di ako lilibre ni Mami.
You have to pay for your own candy.
Mami, at least, half of it.
No.
Mami doesn't want to pay. Guys, so, mababawasan ako ng 1 week and a Tuesday.
Bakit?
Half of Tuesday. 1 week and half of Tuesday. 100 every week. That's 1 week and half of a Tuesday because 150. And 50 is half of 100. If 100 is 1 week, then 50 is half of 1 week. And if 50 is half of 1 week, Tuesday is the half of 1 week. And we need to cut it in half for it to be better. So it's 1 week and Tuesday and a half.
So, naguluhan na kayo doon.
Yes. Guys, lilibre ako ni Mami Hilig.
Oo, yung nagtitinis-kita mo lang.
Yeah, para sa akin, of course.
Ano ba yun?
Ayun yun, oh. Guys, it's in Lazada. Sinan ko kay Mami yan, eh. Is this Bumblebee? Guys, look, it looks like a bit of Bumblebee. Walang ulong Bumblebee, guys. Naputol ulo niya.
Meron yan.
Where's your head, Bumble? It's not a Bumblebee. Oh, wait, guys, yun yung ulo niya. Naging tao. Naging tao, guys, yung ulo niya. Oh my gosh. Star Wars. That's a big buy. That's a big... Guys, it's so big. Guys, that is probably like 1 month to do. Or 1 week actually. Guys, back to our candy guys. Kanina kasi nagtitingin si Dita ng gift for my cousin.
Naghahanap ng gift.
Yes. By the way guys, guys, want to know po yung mga mall na di ko po ma-memorize kung yung mga lugar po.
Bakit? Kasi bihira ka lumabas.
At saka, malalaki. One of them is Town Center. Ito guys. Another one is MOA. And then Festival. Yun guys. Tatlong yun. SM Molino guys, ang bilis maikot guys eh. Memorize ka na guys.
Maliit lang kasi yun.
Yes. I remember this place. Hello po guys. So from here po nawalan po ako po ng mic po. Di ko po alam po kung bakit po. So ito po, kumukuha na po ako ng pera po sa aking wallet po. Dahil bibili po ako ng aking favorite candy po dito po sa Town Center. So yan na po. I am excited po dyan po. Yan po. So yan na po ang aking favorite candy po. Made in candy pang tawag po siya. Bumili po ako ng sachet po na for only 100 pesos. Yan guys.
Kwento mo, biglang gumandar yung ano.
Guys. Ngayon na guys. Biglang may umandar na sasakyan. Walang nagpe-press.
Biglang umila tapos umandar yung gulong, no?
Yes. Walang nagpe-press po.
Sabi ni Tita.
Sabi ni Tita may naglalarong bata. Tapos wala naman ako nakita. Tapos kala ko ghost. And I'm getting scared.
Biglang kumapit sa akin si Andre.
Tapos nandun sa dulo.
Naglalaro tayo ng ano, pre?
Ay, naglalarong bata siguro.
Kaya mo na?
Hayaan mo na siya maglaro.
Magdata ng invisible child.
Parang ligo-ligo din.
Oo. Natin kami ng
Pringles?
toys para kay Rian.
Pringles is not toy.
Para sa kasi
Can
ni
I have
Andre.
Scrabble?
No.
I want Scrabble. Another tank. I do have a tank. I do have that. Big one. There's big one. And there's 2 pilots. Huh? Guys, I'm gonna buy some stuff.
With your own baon?
I'm gonna find a good deal and a good looking toy. Because I am manako kay man. I getting a tank. I don't know. That's all Lego. Hello po guys. So kanina po, nagka-error po yung mic po namin po. So ang gagawin pa namin po is probably magpo-voice over na lang po ako po kung ano pa sinabi ko po niyan. So sabi po ni Mami, what's in my bag? Anyways. So we have my wallet, merong mask guys.
Pakita mo.
We have my wallet, a mask, a wipes. Over here po we have extra t-shirt and also alcohol guys. So guys, kanina po, bumili po ako ng favorite candy ko po with my own money. Kaya manibin yung so 100 pesos po ito po and it's my favorite candy.
Saan mo kinuha yung pambili mo?
Oh, no!
May baon.
Oh, sino nagbigay ng baon sa'yo?
Someone in the earth.
Sino nagbigay ng baon? Di ba ako? Oh, kanino pera yun?
It's still my money.
It's my money. Di ba?
So guys, nandito na kami sa baba. We're gonna do grocery. Bibili ko po with my
No, we're not going to do grocery.
Oh yeah, mag-ano ko for sold items. Just gonna sale items. And of course, Potter Street. Yun na guys, Potter. I love that one. Where's Potter?
Andrew's going to buy
Stuff.
something from his baon.
No. Mommy's. Of course, mommy's money. Oh, that's
How much is your baon?
every day or I mean weekly.
Weekly.
100 pesos.
100 pesos. 100 pesos. 20 pesos lang per day ang baon ni Andrew. Eh, meron ka naman na baon na snacks and na meal, di ba?
That's right.
So, what do you do with your baon?
Buy them with some stuff that I don't like and I mean I like. Like mga food na C2 probably, yung mga just
So, are you going to buy something?
I mean, probably
Buy one take one, no?
tempting, very tempting. But that is buy two, save 40 pesos.
Babay ka.
274. Guys, that is 2 weeks.
2 weeks of your baon.
This is too mahal. This is too mahal. Guys, too mahal.
Ito, mahal. Hindi ka na magbabay.
Too mahal. I don't have that much money. Unless si mami man-deliver, of course. Si mami kasi man-deliver.
Hindi,
Ay, man-deliver yan. Man-deliver si mami. Let's see. How much it is?
Buy one take one?
96 pesos.
Oh, kaya mo na ba magbayan sa baon mo?
That's 1 week according to my calculation.
Yan, matuto kang mag-save ng money mo para may pambili ka ng pagkain mo. O yan, kaya mo yan.
Yeah, pero wala mo. Guys, so, kailangan po i-check mo po palagi po yung expiry. Total po nito. On December 13, 2023. Baka po di pa po umabot, mamaya ubos na po.
So, good deal.
Yes.
Good deal.
Yes. Mga 1 hour lang ubos na po. 1 hour pagtapos umabot.
Oh, so, di ba hindi mo naabot ng expiry date, no? Oh, tama yan. Good.
Okay.
Doon tayo na. Diretso tayo.
Is ito mga buy one take one. Like Kit Kat, Milky, and Tintang.
Meron din ditong crunch. Lahat sila naka-buy one take one.
And Mr. Tagat.
Yan. Yan. Pati yung Milka. More buy one take one.
Alright, it's black mirror. Black mirror. Ay, this is not
Hindi natin basket yan. Asa yung basket natin?
I have no force.
Pagdating mo doon sa baon na yan.
Yeah guys. Ngayon, inaubos ko na po. Nagkaka-brain freeze na. My freeze. I mean my brain is freeze.
Bumababast ang side-eye.
dami niya na tumitingin ka pa. Yeah.
Guys, ito po talaga po yung pinunta po namin sa South Mall. The Christmas tree. Guys, it's so beautiful. Look guys, it's so purplish. Purplish. Yeah, purplish. So guys, pwede ka din mag-picture dun sa inside the radio guys. Trolls ang ano nila guys. Kaya purple, kaya trolls. Oh. Pwede tayo pumasok guys.